Doing the final sand on the CT70, and I got all my helpers. They're keeping me company. I'm doing this by hand. It's got direct metal, the black underneath, and then this is the gray, just a 2K urethane primer. You know, that is somewhat a build primer, but not a really thick one. And I got 2 coats on it, and all I'm trying to do is knock it down smooth. 600, this is Eagle Abrasives, the finest sandpaper in the world. It cuts like a 400, but it leaves a scratch of an 800. It's amazing stuff. A little expensive, but amazing. So anyway, I've gotten half of it done. I didn't want to bore you with the entire project, but it's going to turn out just fine. Hey, this is Ken, CRNS Motorsports. Just wanted to take a quick second to remind you to like and subscribe. It costs you nothing, means the world of difference to us. And if you have a friend who might be interested in the video, please share it. So, thank you very much, and let's get on with the show. Alright, we have finished shooting the paint itself. We primed it with just regular gray auto body primer, so to speak. Sanded it down with 600 grit. Used a special sandpaper, so it cuts like a 400, but it leaves a scratch of a 800. All right. Then we put a base coat on it. Went on very nice. It's more like a glitter, but kind of almost transparent. And then you put the mid coat on it, and the mid coat is on the orange. And the orange itself, it's more like a dye. It's a yellow dye. And the more you put on, the darker it gets. Really shot nice. Both paints shot really nice. Coverage, fair and medium. It's expensive paint. So happy with it. It turned out great. It looks fantastic. We're just getting ready to clear coat it. And that's what we're going to do. Casey did an outstanding job. We're going to use Eastwood's Premium Clear, Show Clear. This is the good stuff. Have good success. It shoots well.
Well, we shot the white car in it, the Cougar in it. We've used it a handful of times on a lot of different projects.
And this is, this is the good stuff. So really pleased with the way this is all turning out. No issues whatsoever. The paint we bought from VMR, work performance-wise, was perfect. You expect no different from Eastwood. Just pleased as can be. Looks great. So, very happy. That's good. That's it.